now? What's happening with it, D-Loft? It's your boy Pre, and we back at it again today. Now, today I got a surprise for you. We're gonna be working on the old SS today. Easy work. Cabin air filter. I'm gonna give y'all a secret. I'm gonna share a secret with you for my Camaro owners. For all the ladies and gentlemen that like for their ride to smell good on the inside, stay tuned. I'm about to put you on game. Alright, so first thing we want to do here is get this here old glove compartment bust wide open. Get all the goodies up out of there. And you wanna this little fella right here. Let's see, maybe. Tell you what, that's tight. You wanna kind of squeeze on the side. If it's too tight, it's your pry bar. Good old pry bar. Help you out tremendously on this here. Alright, so I think got this side up. Have to undo this old boy first. Yeah. Pry him out. Now, you get up in here. And if you look right up in there, you got a little tabs you have to pop loose. These on top and the bottom. Pinch them and voila. Arrows pointing down. Let's see. Now that don't look good. Looks like it might have had a little roadie in there. Eating on something. Alright, so here's the trick. So if you want to get that good smell good, get you some car spray or something like that right there. And hit that. Get that filter with it. Honestly, I would say change this bad boy out every time you get an oil change. You keep your car smelling fresh.
It's gonna be like a bomb when you initially turn it on. It's gonna be strong, but after a few minutes, you'll be able to deal with it. Now we're gonna go back with it. Get that old boy back up in there. Let's see. Panel back on the cover, panel cover. Now this part right here is the trickiest part of this. It's getting this here glove box back hooked up. You take your string, pull it out as far as you can. Up. There they go. It's directional too. There we go. So we in there. Good to go. Now take it. Put our goodies back in. We'll wipe that out. Alright, so we good. Box cleaned out, and yeah, that's a done deal. Alright, so now that we got that out the way, car smelling good, smelling fresh. Y'all thank me later. Thank me later. I just gave y'all some game. That's gonna last longer than any of the lit, hanging out fresheners, any of that. And you're gonna be getting some clean air blowing in your ride. On top of that, if you haven't changed out your carbon out filter, if you see what mine look like a little critter got in there and started eating on it. Rodents will get in. I don't know what attracts them to that air box, but rodents will get in that air box and cause problems. For real. So you want to change it. And if you kind of smell a little whiff of something that's unpleasant coming through your vents, it's probably because of a rodent living in there, using the bathroom in there, or whatever the case may be. But anyway, that's it. That's the video today on Camaro. Stay tuned. I got some more bangles coming for you. So in the meantime, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one.